Alam nyo, tayong lahat, all of us want to become successful, right? Amen? And we dread failures. We don't want to fail. But today, we are asked to reflect on failures. Because failures can be moments of grace. And that happened to Peter. Failures prepared Peter to be a better leader, a true keeper of the followers of Jesus. So when Jesus asked Peter, "Do you love me?" Jesus is not just gauging Peter's emotional state. Jesus is actually proving Peter's self-identity.